Hi guys, good morning. Give you guys another empty apartment tour. Look at how snowy, guys. 看这个冷的。一等圣诞树，然后这边也开了一个 Rebecca。Wow! Thank you.
Look around.
Okay, 一进门。Little hallway. Bedroom. It's a bathroom. Oh my gosh, so cute. Mirror. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Let me take a picture. Sink. Love the floors. Like, that is so cute. Walkway to the bathroom and then bedroom. Cute square, so it's like very easy to like put a bed. Like, you make this like a bedroom or like an office or something. Very cute. Big window. Oh my gosh, view is unobstructed. Such a cute little view. And then the closet, pretty spacious. Bathroom again. Kitchen. I'll show you guys it when it's like closed later. Huge window. Another bedroom. Master bedroom. Again, such a great view. And then you have that panel. And then very big squared bedroom. It's the bathroom. Shall we go take a visit? Ooh, cute little tiling. And then you have the, oh, okay, so this is like a, guys, are you serious? Just imagine all the amazing skincare that you'd be able to put here. Gorge. Perfect. And then great little room to put stuff underneath. And then just, I love this bathroom. Or both bathrooms are just so cute. And then 有点背光在这儿 little closet situation. Let's take a look. 没有灯 Another, this is a very big closet, you know, a little bit bigger. Not super big, but you can like obviously hang clothes on like a hanger. IKEA has those best white ones that are very minimal. Super cute. Let me close it back up. Big closet space. And then here, you can put a hanger here, like literally perfect space for like a hanger for more clothes. So it's just very space optimized. Floor to ceiling windows. And over here too, little window situation. How cute. Kitchen. Really witnessing the snow. Back going into the hallway. And yeah. Alright, so that was the little empty apartment tour. Obsessed, I think it's really cute. Okay, you press the mirror and then same situation, all the skincare you can imagine. So cute. This is perfect. Look at this view that you could get here. And it's such good lighting. Such good lighting. Like, obsessed. 对，出了太阳 golden hour would be absolutely insane. Goodness, I'm obsessed. You know, right? 下一站海底捞 Our lunch munch. 我们来吃套餐了，这是我第一次吃套餐。刚做好了这个我的酸梅汤，我的吃播了。
咱今天在1楼用餐。
所以
好期待
面条还是吃？
我好期待啊！
吃海底捞。
海底捞，看昨天的船面好也好吃。
你今天这里也有一份面，
但是海底捞是 YYDS 心中number one。
哦，好可爱。我们小孩就吃海底捞。半天。
可爱。Celebrating birthday month with 海底捞。